If TikTok was right about money, most of us would already be rich. Spoiler, we're not. So I spent 30 days actually testing 5 viral money hacks from TikTok to see which ones work when you're broke and tired. By the end of this video, you'll know which hacks to keep, which ones to skip, and how to turn them into one simple system you can start today. Hack number 1. The cash stuffing envelopes. You've seen the videos. Binders, pastel envelopes, aesthetic nails. The idea is simple. Instead of swiping your card, you give every dollar a job in advance. I tried 4 envelopes: rent, groceries, fun, and chaos. That last one was for all the little emergencies, like last-minute rides or extra coffee. Here's what happened. The good: I stopped doing random purchases because handing over physical cash hurts more than tapping a card. The bad: it's annoying to carry envelopes, and if most of your bills are online, cash stuffing alone won't save you. Verdict: works, but only when you combine it with the next hack. The pay yourself first hack is less aesthetic, but more powerful. TikTok says, the second money hits your account, you move a percentage to savings before you spend anything. I set an automatic transfer of 10% every payday to a separate savings account I don't touch. After 1 week, it felt like that 10% never existed. I still lived the same, just with a slightly tighter food budget. But watching the savings grow made me want to protect that money instead of stealing it back. Verdict: this one is a keep. If you hate budgeting, this is the laziest hack that actually builds savings. Next up, the no-spend challenge. TikTok version says, pick a week or a month and spend on nothing except essentials. Sounds productive. In reality, day 3, you're mad at the world because your friends are out and you're at home eating rice. So I changed the rules. Instead of no spending, I made no mindless spending. I picked exactly 3 things I was allowed to spend on that week: groceries, 1 social plan, and transportation. Everything else had to wait. Suddenly, the challenge felt doable, not like punishment. I still saved more than usual, but I didn't feel deprived. Verdict: don't do a dramatic no-spend month. Do short, no mindless spending sprints. You label 100 envelopes from 1 to 100. Pick one every day and stuff that amount in cash. In theory, you end up with $5,050. In practice, most people quit around envelope 23. When I started, the first days were easy. $5 here, $12 there. Then I pulled envelope 76 and just laughed. That's not a challenge, that's rent. So I hacked the hack. I used just 30 envelopes, from 1 to 30. Same rule, smaller numbers. That still adds up to $465, which is a real emergency fund for a lot of us. Verdict: the original challenge is unrealistic unless you already have extra money. The mini version is much more realistic. The last viral hack says, if you only pay in cash, you'll feel every purchase and automatically save. So for 1 week, I hid my card and used cash for everything I could. Yes, I thought twice before buying. But I also missed points, online discounts, and it was a nightmare when I needed to order something. Honest take: cash is a great tool to reset your awareness. But living a 100% cash life in 2025 is just not realistic. Verdict: use cash weekends or cash weeks as a reset, not as a permanent lifestyle. After 30 days, here's what actually works, and this is the part you can copy. Step 1. Set up Pay Yourself First with an automatic transfer, even if it's just $5 a week. Make saving something that happens to you, not something you have to remember. Step 2. Pick one cash category where you always overspend, maybe food, coffee, or going out, and give that category its own envelope. When the cash is gone, that's it until next week. Step 3. Once a month, do a 1-week no mindless spending reset to catch leaks and remind your brain that you're in control. Step 4. If you want a bigger goal, try the 30-envelope challenge instead of the 100-envelope fantasy. Celebrate when you hit that $465. For a lot of people, that's the first time they've ever had savings. The point isn't to copy TikTok aesthetics. The point is to use these hacks to build a simple system that keeps working even on days you're exhausted. If you want me to test more viral money hacks so you don't waste time, tell me in the comments which ones you're curious about next. And if this helped, don't just click away. Hit like so YouTube knows to show this to more people who are tired of being broke. And watch this video next, where we talk about building a money plan that actually fits your real life, not some perfect version of you.